Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Weathertech TechLiner Bed Liner in black, fitting your 19 and newer Chevy Silverado 1500s with the short bed. This is perfect for the Silverado owner who's planning to do some hauling and they want to keep their paint looking like new, or they just want some extra protection against some scuffs and scratches. This will protect your truck's bed, and unlike the spray-in liners, it is removable if you decide to go in a different direction. It's also more flexible than traditional slip-in liners. It's laser measured to ensure precise fit. It features premium thermoplastic construction with a textured black finish, and the texture will help keep things from sliding around in your bed. So as far as price goes, this bed liner comes in at around $200, making it one of the most budget-friendly ways to line your truck's bed. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It features a direct slip-in installation with no cutting required and can be done within 10 minutes. So with that said, let's jump into our install. All right, so the first step in your install is to remove it from the box and unroll it. It does come rolled up. You're just gonna unroll it. You may wanna let it sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna slide it in the bed. I did wanna point out though, while we have it here, that it attaches to the bed via these Velcro, and they stick straight to your bed. So the first thing we're gonna do is slide it in, let it settle, and then we're gonna stick it down. You are gonna have to press this down in place. Maybe let it sit in the sun and give it a little time to settle. All right, so once you've had your liner sit for a little bit, you're happy with how it's sitting, peel it back and we're gonna make sure it sticks down. Expose these Velcro sections. Rather than try to measure where these go, we're just gonna leave the Velcro in the position and just peel back on the coating. And then we're gonna fold it down and it's gonna stick right in the exact location we want it. One tip is you might wanna give your bed a couple wipes. Don't use any sort of greasy cleaner, just make sure it's nice and clean and dry so you get the best stick possible. I recommend doing this in sections just to ensure the best fit. Peel up a section and then stick it back down. Once you've peeled them off, just go ahead and stick it down the same as you did before. Just give a little extra attention to those sections that you know the Velcro is in. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of this bed liner. And remember, for all things Silverado, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.